Hi friends. Today we will be going to the another problem, that is, find the head lost due to the friction in a pipe of diameter 35 centimeter and 55 meters through which water is flowing at a velocity of 3 meter per second using Darcy's formula, for which F 0.003 and Judge's formula, for which C is 60. So they have asked two cases, one is Darcy's formula and one is Judge's formula. So in two cases also what we have to find? First let us write down the data what they have given. Data, find the head lost. That means in both cases we have to find the head lost. In a pipe of diameter, they have given diameter D is equal to 35 centimeter, that is nothing but 0.35 meters, and 55 meters, L they have given 55 meters, through which water is flowing at a velocity of 3 meter per second. They have given the velocity 3 meter per second. Using Darcy's formula, let us write the Darcy's formula first. Case 1, Darcy's formula. What they have given is, one formula is HF equal to 4 FLV square divided by 2GD, and Darcy's another formula is 4 FLQ square divided by 3 into d to the power 5. So in this problem, which formula we have to take? Since they have given the velocity and directly we have to find the head lost, in this formula we can use, that is HF equal to 4 FLV square divided by 2 GD. This formula we are using, not this formula. So directly we can substitute HF equal to 4 into F they have given 0.003 into length they have given 55, velocity is 3 square divided by 2 into gravitational force 9.81 into D is 0.35. We can get directly the head lost. How much in meters? How much head lost due to friction by Darcy's formula? Let us substitute it. 4 into 0.003 into 55 into 3 square divided by 2 into 9.81 into 0.35. It gives 0.865. 0.865 meters. That finishes the case 1. Now by using Judge's formula, case 2, where C is 60 and velocity is 3 meter per second, we know the formula, Judge's formula, V equal to C into square root of M into I, where M is nothing but hydraulic mean depth. Hydraulic mean depth, that is nothing but D divided by 4. We can substitute 0.35 divided by 4, it gives 0.0875 meters. Next, what is I? I is nothing but HF divided by L, that is loss of head per unit length. Loss of head per unit length. Here we don't know, HF we don't know, so let it be like that only at present. Now we can substitute the value which all we have in this formula. that is velocity is 3 equal to C, they have given 60, square root of 0.0875 I. By the simple mathematics we can solve this, and there is all known, only I is unknown. By I will be bringing this 60 this side, the time 3 divided by 60 equal to square root of 0.0875 I. 3 divided by 60 is nothing but 0.05, and that side is like that only, we have to write 75 I. Let us square both sides. Squaring both sides, that will become 0.05 square equal to square root of 0.0875 I square. 0.05 square is nothing but 2.5 into 10 to power minus 3, and this square root and this square will be cut off, and the other values will be like that only, I. So I equal to 2.5 into 10 to power minus 3 divided by 0.0875, where value of I is nothing but 0.0, I got it, 0.0286. Now I want HF. So what I am doing is, I will be substituting the value of I in this equation, so that I equal to HF divided by L, where I we got 0.0286 equal to HF divided by L is nothing but 55, that is here. So cross multiplication, HF I get is 0.0286 into 55, that is 1.753 meters. So by this, the two cases we have solved. By using the Darcy's equation I got 0.865, and by using the Church's equation I got 1.753 meters of head lost due to friction for this problem. The next problem I will be giving. So for this